So today, we will write some HTML code to add this title, input box, and a button. Open index.html. I will remove this h2 tag we created in the previous session, and instead, I will add a div with a class QR code generator. Inside this div, I will add h2 tag. I will then add this title. Enter your text or URL. Once done, you can check the preview and you should see the title. It has got a red color because in the previous session we added some style. Let me remove this style and it should be fine. We will then add this input box. So just after the h2 tag, add another div with the class input box. Then inside that div, let's add the input with the type text and ID QR text. Once done, check the preview and you should see an input box over here. Then we need another div for this QR code image. So just after the input box div, add another div with the class image box. We then need the img tag, and inside the src attribute, we need to put the link of the API. So let me copy that link and paste them over here. Let me remove this alt attribute and instead I will add the ID QR image. Once done, check the preview and we can now see the QR code image. Finally, let's add this button. So after the image box div, add the button tag, generate QR code. I will also add the ID, generate button. Once done, check the preview and we can see a button over here. Great. That's all. We have written all the HTML code that is required for this project. It doesn't look nice at the moment because we are missing the CSS, which we will cover in the next session. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.